can't be two alpha titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking me into war.
All right, guys, what is going on? We are here at Cecil County Dragway. Bam. We got Kong ready to rock. Now we have the new tune in. She's fully prepped, ready to go. My goal today is just get a 10. I think we can easily do it. Traction is going to be my biggest concern. Tires are getting a little worn. It is a little colder out, and we are on a little bit more power with the new tune. So, yeah, we'll just see how we can hook up. Cecil usually preps really good, but it is chilly out today. I ain't gonna lie, it is definitely a little chilly. So, hopefully we can go out there and get that 10, no problem. If everything goes well, yeah, guys, I don't even know how far, but I just want to get a 10, go from there, and we'll see how we do. We are in better weather than our 11.0, and we're up on power from our 11.0. So that should let you know that we should definitely get a 10 easily. Don't know how deep into it is, but like I said, the biggest concern is traction and hooking up and running good. So we got mono red HEMI coming in a little bit. Right now we just got some time because they are going to let us run. It's about 8 o'clock, 8:15 now. We got to wait till about 11, they said, because it is a little bit colder than expected. But we are ready to rock and roll, guys. So yeah, I'll get with you guys right for the first pass, and hopefully we go out there and get that 10. Guys, we just had another pass. Definitely spun again, pretty good. Let's see what the ticket says. Thank you.
You're welcome.
11,152. Yeah, we're just spinning. 60 foot is almost a 1.7. So we're mile an hour pretty good though. Mile an hour is almost 125. With just traction's a little bit of an issue. Spinning pretty good. So see if I can get one more pass in for the day. That's my goal. And you know, if we can get that 10, we can. If not, that's not looking good. It's not looking like we're gonna get it. It's just is what it is, fellas. I don't know what's wrong. All right, guys, pass number 2. We spun a lot that time too, so let's see what we got here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I was gotta get off the line. All right. The 1739 is a 60 foot. It was 11.21. So we had a terrible 60 foot. So I mean, we'll try the next lane next time and try and do a little bit better. I did the last pass of the day and I just spun horrendously and had to let out of it again, so I can't get traction at all anymore. It seems like anywhere I go, so well, it is what it is. Let's see what this last time slip is, 11.7 or something. Thank you.
You're welcome.
11.7, obviously. I let out of it, obviously, and had to get back in because I spun so bad. So, all right, guys. Well, I'll get back to you in a little bit, and we'll see what's up. All right, guys. It's a couple days later from the racing video. As you can see from the track, we had severe traction issues, very bad. We actually had our best run of the day, the first run, which is in a different video. I raced Modern Red Hemi and his Pro-Charged shaker RT 5.7. Check that video out if you missed it. But yeah, but what we did, as you could tell from the video, the exhaust fell out of the hangers, and I went up under there after I didn't even know what happened until at the end of the track when I was putting air back in my tires. I looked at the back and I saw the exhaust was hanging off. I'm like, oh great. So I just put it back on the hanger real fast, got home. And yesterday, I got up under the truck and I made a permanent fix for the not to fall off the hangers anymore. So that's that. But as you can see, I put the tailgate back on, and you can see the exhaust tips. I'll turn the camera around in a second. So it's all right. As you can see, tailgate is on, and the exhaust tips are perfectly fixed. It looks great, 10 times better. I put the tailgate on because next time we're going to go to the track, we're going to leave the tailgate on. Number one, it's actually better for aerodynamics, but we are gaining about 80 pounds with the tailgate on. But that the reason I'm doing that on purpose because of want to try and get downforce. So another thing is we're getting new tires. I'm trying to get them as soon as possible. Money's very short right now, so I don't know how long I can, take to get the tires. So that's another problem. But yeah, we're ready for. I mean, we can hit the track in any time with these, but we ain't gonna get traction. So they are literally worn really bad. I don't even know if you can see any of this, but as you can see, they're hazed over. Yeah, they're worn. These things are done. I've had them for almost 2 years now, and basically they're on their last leg. So traction, like I said, traction was our issue on Saturday. If we would have hooked any one of them passes, we would have got 10.9, 10.8s, no problem. But we were 2, sometimes 3 tenths above our normal 60 foot. 1.7, 1.8, almost a 1.8 on one of them. High 1.7, high 1.5. We did almost a 1.6. So it was very bad. So the goal is to get back out there, get some new tires on, and hit the track, guys. Yeah, that's the goal. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.